Hello, I'm working on a 1993 Chevy Cavalier. I'm going to show you how to take this window knob off, this window lever knob off. As you can see, it's a manual window lever knob. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn it all the way up so you can see the bottom part, like in here. And then inside, a lot of people don't notice, but inside there's an O-ring, or not, it's a U-ring. So you just get like a tool like this, like a little claw tool. I got this at Home Depot, it's Husky. Anyways, you just look down in there. Let me zoom out so you can see exactly what I'm doing. All right, so you just look down in there, and if you got it. You didn't see that, but it happened. So basically what happened was this little horseshoe clamp was on this, just like that. What goes around this plastic part. So essentially it was on there, but really in reality when this was functional, and that's why this little hook comes in, this little hook gadget right here comes in so key, because when it's on there you got a hook on top of it like that and pull it off. So basically, essentially what's happening is this little horseshoe thingamajigger right here is actually on this plastic piece. I'm gonna show you how it's situated. It's actually on there like that. Come on, about 1 second. Here's a tough one. All right. So basically, so what it is, it's like that, but it has that metal thing right there, which holds this on through this little groove right here, that little groove. And so what you want to do is, you're going to take this tool, and you just basically get down in there, and you hook under it, and you just pull up on it until it comes out like that, like I did. But that's how you get that off. And to put it back on, you just do the reverse. Thanks for watching.